Good day folks, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new account in PayPal. Very simple process if you haven't done it before, and it's pretty similar to any other website you've been on, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through it, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below and I'll certainly help you. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to www.paypal.com. And once you're there, it'll bring you over to this site. It might look a little different once you're there, but should be similar to this. And there should be an option either on the page, like it is on this one, up in the top right-hand corner, or somewhere else on the page. Just look for a button that says Sign Up. Once you're on this page here, you can choose between having a personal account or a business account. I'm going to go ahead and just set up a personal account. Go ahead and click on Sign Up a Personal Account. Now, once you're on this page here, go ahead and fill in your information and create a password, and go ahead and click Next. I'm in Canada, that's why mine shows there. If you haven't picked up on the accent yet, go ahead and click Next. Yes, I'm not a robot. Yes, I will enter in these traffic lights. I really hate this check, to be honest with you. Alright, so the first thing you have to do now is to enter in your address. Mine is where I mentioned before. I'm in Canada. I'm getting the options for province and postal codes. You will probably have state and zip or whatever country you're from. It should be tailored for your country. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here now, and I'm going to go ahead and enter in this information. Once you're done entering into information, you can choose Stay Logged In for faster checkout. Basically just means that you don't have to type in your information every time. And then this is the you're just subscribing to PayPal to send you information. And then once you're done, click Agree and Create Account. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now, and I'll be back in a minute. Welcome back, and right now I've went ahead and continued, and this is the next screen that I'm on. So you should be on something similar to this screen. Every country may be slightly different, so you may or may not see the screen, but if you do, go ahead and choose which option you want. So right now I'm not going to choose any of these options here, but you can go ahead and go shop through PayPal and to learn about that, or you can go send money, and it'll walk you through helping send money to people. For now, I'm just going to go ahead. And we're back. Sorry about that. I actually ended up having to cut off that video because I clicked on the link on the bottom for adding a card, and there was no real easy way to, I guess, get back and show you how to get out of it, because it kind of get you stuck in here just like it's doing with me now. If I click on link a card instead, I'm required to put in a bank card. If I go to link bank account, then I'm required in from bank account, and there's no way for me to get out of it. So I found out the solution afterwards. So for you, you can go ahead and click the link on the bottom for adding a card. You can go ahead and add your credit card now to link to your PayPal account, or you can use your bank account and do that as well. For me, for the most part right now, we are done setting up your new account. Linking is something I'm going to cover in another video, but you can go ahead and add the information now and just finish it this way. I kind of wanted to keep that separate, so I apologize that the video got a little choppy here at this point, and I'm kind of rambling a bit right now, but I just wanted to walk you through setting up and getting into your account, and I wanted to cover adding a bank account or a credit card at a later time. So I apologize that it did get a little choppy, and I hope that you still found the video useful. But in the meantime, if you wanted to do the same and not filling in this information now and just play around with your PayPal account, you can go ahead and click PayPal here on the top, and it will bring you right into your account. And as you can see here, we're fully set up, and you can see your PayPal balance. If you don't want to set up a credit card, you can certainly just leave your account as it is right now, and people can send you money on your PayPal. Obviously you can't take that money out or use it for anything in the real world, for example, but you can use that PayPal balance to make online purchases. Many websites do accept PayPal, eBay, I believe Amazon does, but there's many websites that do. So once again, I apologize, the video got cut off short, and it wasn't exactly how I wanted this video to go, but I think you got the point. You'll have your account, you're up and running, and I'll cover adding your credit card later if you didn't already do it during the setup. So have a great day, and hope to hear from you soon. Have a great, see ya, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video, I really appreciate it. If you can take a minute to subscribe to this channel, it would help me a lot. I'm actually working full-time throughout the day, and at night I work at Walmart. And every subscriber to this channel is one step closer to being able to quit Walmart and spend more time with my family. So if you can take a second, hit the subscribe button below, I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in other videos. Have a great day. Just want to make a quick mention that the music in the background is actually metal covers by Leo at Frog Leap Studios. He's an amazing artist on YouTube. He has over 3 million subscribers as of today's date, and it's just awesome. I can't get enough of him. I listen to him every single day, and he's just simply amazing. Go check him out, Frog Leap Studios, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.